Let's learn about cleansing action of soap. Cleansing action of soap. Soap molecule consists of two parts. One is head, another one is tail. The head is polar nature. Head is polar nature. Head is polar nature. And tail is non-polar nature. Non-polar nature. The polar nature of head consists of carboxylate group. Carboxylate group. That is COONA. COONA group. It is dissolved in water. This is dissolved in water. So the head particles dissolved in water. So head is otherwise said to be what nature? Hydrophilic end. This end is otherwise said to be hydrophilic end. Hydrophilic. The hydro means water and philius means loving. So this end dissolved in water. So hydrophilic end. This is the head is hydrophilic end. Tail is non-polar end. Non-polar end. This tail consists of long hydrocarbon chain. Long hydrocarbon chain. It is hydrophobic end. This is what end? Hydrophobic. Hydra means water. Phobia means fear. That means repulsion of water. Repulsion of water. So it is dissolved in grease and other organic solvent. Other organic solvent. This is basic structure of soap. This is basic structure of soap. This is tail. This is head. Head consists of what nature? Polar end. Tail is a non-polar end. Head is a hydrophilic end. Tail is a hydrophobic end. Head consists of carboxylate group. And tail consists of long chain hydrocarbon chain. Hydrocarbon chain. So consists two part. One is polar end, another one is non-polar end. Polar end is which is short head. Short head. Which consists carboxylate group COONA. Then another one part is non-polar end having long tail. The long tail made up of hydrocarbon chain. Hydrocarbon chain. The polar end hydrophilic in nature, and this end is attached towards water. The another part non-polar end is hydrophobic nature, water hating nature. So it is attached towards dirt or oil on the cloth but not attached towards water. Thus the hydrophobic part of soap molecules trap the dirt and hydrophilic part make the entire molecule soluble in water. Soluble in water. When a soap or detergent is dissolved in water, the molecules join together as a cluster. This cluster is called micelles. How micelles are obtained? When soap molecules are present in water, the molecules arrange themselves in a forms of cluster in such a manner that the hydrophobic end are away from the water molecules and the hydrophilic or ionic end are towards the water molecules. Micelle is nothing but soap or detergents dissolved in water, we get cluster of molecules. This molecule is said to be micelles. The long hydrocarbon chain attach themselves to the oil and dirt. The dirt is surrounded by non-polar end of the soap molecules. The charged hydroxylate end of the soap molecules makes the micelle soluble in water. Thus the dirt is washed away with the soap. The dirt is washed away with the soap. This is soap solution with stained cloths, dirty cloth. When soap is dissolved in water, it forms colloidal suspension in water. When dirty cloth with greasy stain is placed in the soap solution. This is dirty soap solution with cloth with dirt. Soap molecules get attached towards stain. Soap molecules get attached towards stain in a fiber. Let's see what happened in molecules level. Long nonpolar hydrocarbon tails of soap molecules point towards the grease particles, and polar head point towards the existing water molecules. As a result, the spherical structure is formed. This is spherical structure. This spherical structure is said to be micelles. These micelles attach towards water and carries the grease particles along with its. This causes grease particles detached from the fibers of the cloth. When more and more soap molecules get impact into the greasy stain, they detached more grease particles. As a result, the dirty cloth becomes clean. The dirty part becomes clean. And dirty water left the bucket. When we rub the cloth or wash the clothes in washing machine, bond between the dirty particles and fiber of the cloths loosen. This process also supports cleansing action of soap. Let's see detergents. Detergent is a chemical compound or mixture of chemical compounds which are used as a cleaning agent. Detergents are prepared by adding sulfuric acid to hydrocarbon, so obtained from petroleum. The chemical reaction results in the formation of molecules similar to the fatty acids in soap. The alkali is added to mixer to produce the surfactant molecules, which do not bond with the minerals present in hot water, thus preventing the formation of their precipitate. The detergents are prepared by hydrocarbon with sulfuric acid. The alkali is added to mixer to produce surfactants molecules. This is do not bond between minerals present in hot water. In modern detergents contain several ingredients. What are the ingredients? The first ingredient is sodium silicate. this substance which prevent the corrosion and ensure that detergents does not damage the washing machine. This sodium silicate does not damage the washing machine to prevent the corrosion. The second one is fluorescence. Fluorescent whitening agent. This substance gives a glow to the cloths. Another ingredient is oxygen bleaches. Oxygen bleaches example sodium perbromate. This is enabled to removal of certain stain from the cloths. What is the purpose of sodium perborate? Removal of stains. The another particle is sodium sulfate. What is the uses of sodium sulfate? It is added to prevent the caking of the detergents powder. Prevent the cake of detergents powder. Next one, enzymes. Enzymes are added to break down some strain caused by biological substance like blood and vegetable juice. In case of cloth contains blood and vegetable stains, these stains are removed by adding some enzymes. The biological stains are removed by enzymes. The last one, certain chemicals which gives a pleasant smell are also added to make the cloths fragrance after they washed with detergents. Some chemicals are added to detergents. These chemicals gives the pleasant smell. These are the some ingredients added to modern detergents. Let's learn about advantages of detergents over soap. Detergents are better than soap. What are the reasons? The first reason is detergents can be used in both hard water and soft water. And detergents can clean more efficiently in hard water than soap. Compared to soap. This is first reason to using detergents in hard water. The second one, the detergents can also be used in saline and acidic water. Saline is nothing but salt water. Detergents also used in salt water and acidic water. Detergents do not have any soap scum on the tap or cloths. Soap produce scum in hard water, but detergents do not form scum in hard water. Detergent dissolve freely even in cool water and rinse freely in hard water. Detergents can be used for washing woolen garments, whereas soap cannot be used. Detergents also used woolen cloths. Detergents have linear hydrocarbon chain. These linear hydrocarbon chains are biodegradable. Detergents have some active emulsifier of motor grease. Detergents do an effective nature and safe cleansing. So keep the fabric brighter and whiter. These are the reason for detergents are better than soap. The first reason, more efficiently in hot water. It also used in salt water and acetic water. It do not form scum and dissolve freely even in cool water. It also used washing woolen garments. The detergents contain linear hydrocarbon chain. This linear hydrocarbon chain are biodegradable. This substance have some active emulsifier. This emulsifier is used for remove motor grease. Dear children, cleansing action of soap and advantages of detergents over soaps are very important 5-mark question. Learn this topic thoroughly. Remaining topics are learn next video class. Thank you students.